What if you could profit from predicting the future? And I'm not talking about sports betting, I'm talking about elections, product launches, court cases, celebrity drama, and even global events. This is Polymarket, and it's changing the game completely. In this video, I'll show you step by step exactly how to use Polymarket in 2026, from setting up your account to placing your first trade and managing your positions like a pro. Whether you're completely new to prediction markets or you've heard about Polymarket but never actually used it, this tutorial is for you. By the way, if you sign up using my link in the description, you can earn up to $1,000 in bonuses after generating $1 million in trading volume on the platform. I'll leave all the details down below. Now, let's get started. So, what exactly is Polymarket? Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market where you can bet on the outcome of real-world events. Think of it like sports betting, but instead of just betting on who wins the Super Bowl, you can bet on literally anything. Politics, tech, culture, crypto, you name it. For example, you could bet on who's going to be nominated as the next Federal Reserve Chair, who will be nominated as the next president of a certain country, how much a movie will earn on opening weekend, and even how many tweets will Elon Musk do before a certain date. The beauty of Polymarket is that there's always something happening. Whatever your edge is, there's probably a market for it. Now, here's what makes Polymarket different from traditional betting platforms. It's decentralized, which means no KYC required in most regions. You don't need to verify your identity to start trading. Also, you're not betting against the house. You're trading shares with other users in a peer-to-peer market. And here's the big thing. You don't have to wait until the event resolves to make money. You can buy and sell shares as the odds change, just like trading stocks or crypto. We'll get into exactly how that works in just a bit. Alright, let's get you set up on Polymarket. First, click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the Polymarket dashboard page. On the upper right corner, click on Sign Up. In here, you can see that you can continue using your Google account or by using another email address. Here, you can also see the option to connect your wallet. Polymarket is a decentralized platform, so you'll need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, Phantom, OKX Wallet, Flow Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, or Wallet Connect. But for this tutorial, I will be signing up using my Google account. After that, you will be redirected to the Polymarket dashboard. Now that you've logged in, you need to deposit funds. On the top right, click on Deposit. Polymarket runs on the Polygon network and uses USDC as the main currency. You have four options here: transfer crypto, deposit with card, connect exchange, and deposit with PayPal. If you already have crypto in another wallet or exchange, you can transfer it directly or bridge it from another chain. Start by selecting your token. You'll see supported tokens like USDC, BNB, BTCB, Binance, USD, and more. Next, choose the network. Available networks include Ethereum, Solana, BSC, Base, Polygon, and others. Make sure the network you select matches the network you're sending from to avoid losing funds. Once selected, scan the QR code or copy the wallet address. Use the copy button to avoid mistakes, then paste it into your wallet or exchange. Funds usually arrive within a few minutes. If you don't have crypto yet, you can buy USDC directly with a credit or debit card. Just click Deposit with Card, enter the amount, and choose your payment provider. Follow the steps, and you're good to go. Keep in mind this option might not be available in all regions. Now, if your crypto is already on a centralized exchange, you can connect it directly. Simply choose your exchange and follow the on-screen steps. As of now, Coinbase is the only exchange that can be connected directly to Polymarket. But support for Binance, Kraken, and Gemini is coming very soon. You can also buy crypto using PayPal via MoonPay. Just sign into your PayPal and MoonPay accounts, enter the amount you want to buy, and you'll see how much crypto you'll receive. Confirm the details, then complete the payment. Once your deposit goes through, you'll see your balance at the top of the screen. Now you're ready to start trading. Before we place a trade, you need to understand how Polymarket actually works. It's different from traditional betting, so pay close attention. On Polymarket, you're not buying fixed odds like you would in sports betting. Instead, you're buying shares of yes or no for a specific outcome. Each share has a price between 1 cent and $1. The price represents the market's probability of that outcome happening. For example, let's say there's a market asking, will Bitcoin hit $250,000 in 2026? If the yes shares are trading at 6.5 cents, that means the market thinks there's roughly a 6% chance it will happen. If you buy yes shares at 6.5 cents and the event resolves as yes, each share becomes $1. So you make 93 cents profit per share. Let's break down a real example. If you spend $100 on yes shares at 6.5 cents and Bitcoin actually hits $250,000, you'd win $1,494.62. That's nearly $1,400 in profit from just a $100 bet. On the flip side, no shares would be trading at 94.2 cents. If you buy no shares and the event resolves as no, you only make $5.80 profit per share. You'd only win $106.11, just $6 profit. Way less risky, but way less reward. Here's where it gets interesting. You don't have to wait until the event resolves to make money. Let's say you buy yes shares at 6.5 cents. Then Bitcoin pumps to $200,000 and suddenly more people think $250,000 is possible. Now yes shares are trading at 10 cents. You can sell your shares right now and lock in profit even if Bitcoin never actually hits $250,000. In this example, you bought at 6.5 cents and sold at 10 cents. That's a profit of 3.5 cents per share over a 50% return on your money. And you didn't have to wait for the event to resolve, you just traded the odds as they changed. This is why Polymarket is more like trading than traditional betting. You're trading on information and market sentiment, not just the final outcome. Because Polymarket is peer-to-peer, you're trading against other users. That means you need to check the order book before placing large trades. The order book shows you all the buy and sell orders at different prices. If you're buying a large amount, you might not get filled at the price you see on the chart. You'll get an average price based on available liquidity. Always check the volume and liquidity of a market before trading. Low volume markets can have huge spreads, which means you might lose money even if you're right about the outcome. Alright, now let's actually place a trade so you can see how this works in real time. I'm going to use a simple example here. Let's say I want to bet on who will Trump nominate as Fed chair. You'll see the current odds, the chart showing how the odds have changed over time, and the order book. Now decide if you think the outcome will be yes or no. For this example, I'm going to bet yes on Kevin Warsh. Enter how much you want to spend. Let's say I want to bet $10. You'll see how many shares you'll get and what your potential profit is if you're correct. Double check everything. If it looks good, click buy yes. Your wallet will pop up asking you to confirm the transaction, approve it, and boom, you're in. Now, if you go to your profile and click positions, you'll see your active trade. You can see here how many shares you own, your average entry price, your current profit or loss, and the current market price. If you want to exit your position, just click sell, enter how many shares you want to sell, and confirm. Your funds will be back in your account instantly. Keep in mind, if the market is illiquid, you might not get the exact price you see on the chart. Always check the order book before selling large positions. Quick reminder, if you're trading serious volume on Polymarket, you can earn up to $1,000 after generating $1 million in revenue. All the bonus details are in the description below. Now that you know the basics, let me give you some tips to trade smarter on Polymarket. Tip 1, use limit orders. Instead of buying at market price, you can set a limit order to buy shares at a specific price. This is useful if you think the odds will shift in your favor. Enter your desired price and quantity and submit. If the market reaches your price, your order will fill automatically. Tip 2, track whale wallets. Because Polymarket is on chain, all trades are public. You can track big traders and see what they're betting on. If you see a whale loading up on a certain outcome, that might be a signal. But be careful, some of these traders might have insider information. Tip 3, pay attention to news. Polymarket odds change based on real-world information. A single tweet, news article, or announcement can swing the odds dramatically. Set up alerts for the events you're trading so you can react quickly. Tip 4, manage your risk. Never bet more than you can afford to lose. Prediction markets are volatile and even sure things can go wrong. Diversify your bets and don't go all in on one outcome. Tip 5, understand market manipulation. Because Polymarket is decentralized and anonymous, there's potential for manipulation. People with insider info can rig markets, especially low volume ones. Stick to high volume, high liquidity markets when you're starting out. These are harder to manipulate and have tighter spreads. Now, before we wrap up, I need to say this. I'm not a financial advisor. Prediction markets are risky. You're putting real money on the line and you can lose it. So always do your own research. And that's it. You now know exactly how to use Polymarket in 2026. We covered how to set up your account, fund it, understand how shares work, place your first trade, and even some advanced strategies to trade smarter. Polymarket is the future of prediction markets. It's decentralized, transparent, and gives you the ability to profit from your knowledge and insights on real-world events. And remember, if you sign up with my link in the description, you can earn up to $1,000 in bonuses after hitting $1 million in trading volume. So don't leave free money on the table. Now, I want to hear from you. What markets are you most excited to trade on Polymarket? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials and trading guides. And I'll see you in the next one.